Morning, happy Monday. Today is Monday here in the Philippines. I'm currently walking towards Puerto Diaz. I'm still here technically at Barangay Bagakay. I'm at the boundary, so I'm about to approach Puerto Diaz. Puerto Diaz, so good. So I was walking from my barangay Paco, and then to Bagakay. And I've noticed that they have a lot of gulaman or jelly here in Bagakay. I had a picture and a video of it. I'm going to upload it later, but I didn't realize they have it here. So that is what they're using to form jelly ace. And I don't know what the other usage is. Maybe you can use it to make soap. But anyway, here's the boundary. Ayan. Oh yeah! Oh my god, I'm here at the boundary. Confirm, I'm here at the boundary. Ayun, tingnan nyo. Marsha. Barangay Puerto Diaz. Ayan, buti naman hindi masyadong mainit. Tama lang. Nakaka-good vibes yung feeling dito. Hindi ko alam. Parang may something about Puerto Diaz that I don't know. Good vibes ako dito. Good morning, Tio! Maglalakad tayo papuntang Puerto Diaz. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako. I don't know where my feet is going to take me today, but I'm gonna walk and run and see if I can get to the town, the market. Let's see. We shall see. Ayan, buti naman at mahangin. It's windy. Ayan. Look at the green grass at home. So this morning, as usual, I woke up late. I woke up a little bit late. I didn't wake up to the sound of my alarm clock because normally I have my alarm switch at 5:30. I woke up around 6:30ish or 7 o'clock this morning, and I had my morning routine. I listened to music. I had my journal, and I didn't really do my dance exercise. And I realized, you know, it's a good day to go out for a walk. I always go to our town, but then today I was like, okay, I might as well go to Puerto Diaz today. Okay, you see, there isn't a lot of people on the road right now. You can only see a few tricycles and bus going back and forth. Ayan, tingnan natin kung ano yung unang barangay na makikita natin dito sa Barangay Puerto Diaz. Ay, Panginoon. Oh! Barangay Arayat. Oh, Carayat pala. Barangay Carayat. I love Carayat. Sinong nakatira dito? Oh, tingnan nyo. Ito yung Carayat. Ayan. I love Carayat. Ano yung barangay? Unang barangay, Antonio Emano Jr. Okay. Antonio Emano Jr. ang barangay captain dito. At ayan, may makikita ka ding mga fish pond dyan. I don't know if that's a private fish pond or whatever, but look at it. May bakanting bahay dito. Walang nakatira. Tingnan nyo. Sayang, maganda sana. Maraming pwedeng pagtaniman ng mga halaman doon. Bahay kubo. Sari-sari. Char. No, I'm serious. It's really a good place to plant. You know, alam mo yung feeling na you wake up in the morning, marami kang pananim, mga binhi and everything. You have the bahay kubo halaman. You know, meron kang Oh, look at the, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Look, there's a lot of dragonfly here. Oh, nakikita ba? Ayun, oh, ang daming dragonfly dito sa field. Wow. That only means that this place is undisturbed. Walang masyadong ingay. Ayan, oh. Walang masyadong noise pollution. Ayan. But anyway, going back to what I was saying, maganda doon. Magandang magtanim. Imagine mo yung sarili mo, you are living in the middle of the farm, and you're surrounded by lots of greens. Could be a rice field or mga birding, hindi ang kapaligiran. But no, I'm serious, seryoso talaga ako. Parang, alam mo yun, napakasimple pero you can feel that sense of contentment, satisfaction, and what more can I ask for? I am complete. I have what I need, and then you have your family with you, and then madami ka ding mga ano tawag dito, mga pets. You have dogs, cats, and then chicken and everything. Tapos nakikinig ka lang ng music and everything. Ay, buhay. Sarap ng buhay talaga. At ito, oh, look at it. So windy. Nasa Barangay Karayat pa lang tayo. Sorry naman, masyado akong imaginative. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? Ganda dito. Ganda dito sa Puerto Diaz. My God. I'll take another video later.